Mm.
So I'm a registered respiratory therapist. I've been in the that field for 10 years now. Um, 4 years ago, I stepped into more of like the industry role, doing clinical education. And the role that I'm switching into this role, it was a lot more post sales, using my respiratory education and knowledge to educate new hospitals that are buying our devices or to help them basically see the difference in our devices and go with that.
Before using Rezi, what were the biggest challenges that you faced in your job search or with making, let's say, a resume?
Um, I would say the biggest challenge is translating my clinical experience to like language that would resonate more with the industry field. So making it a little less technical and kind of tailoring my resume to fit whatever role I was trying to get was very difficult, especially not knowing all the nuances and
Mm.
everything's like AI now. So you submit a resume that looks beautiful, but if it doesn't have the right words in it, then you're getting skipped over, and that company's potentially missing out on a really good candidate, which is unfortunate as well. But Resi
Mm.
really helps with that.
It's good to know. And what made you decide to try Rezi, and what was your experience like using it?
Um, I mean, AI is the future, right? So
Hmm.
that's a big part of it. My fiance is very big into AI as well.
Hmm.
I think it was exciting. It definitely made it easier for me, less like of the pain and struggle of making a
Hmm.
resume went into it. It made it a lot easier. Yeah, and it just helped me give a clearer sense of like what recruiters are actually looking for with like your scoring and
Hmm.
keywords and stuff.
You mentioned the keywords, the AI generated content in the resume, but is there any particular feature or part of Rezi that helped you the most?
Um, I would say that scoring feature in
Mm.
keywords, so helping to make everything completely polished, changing out any keywords that might better fit or be more stand out better to the hiring manager, especially. Because those were things that I wasn't really looking at when I
Mm.
was making my resume, right? Like you wanted to have the good verbs, but there's better verbs that you
Yeah.
guys come up with. Yeah, so those really helped.
For this last question, overall, like how did Rezi impact your job search, and what would you say to others who are considering trying Rezi or are already using it but are still trying to find for a job?
I think it kind of helps streamline my job search for me and help me create the perfect resume for this position. Um, I would say like one of my friends, she's more in like marketing and she's having to deal with different roles that
Hmm.
are similar within marketing, but they want specific specific knowledge on certain things. So she has to basically change her resume for every single application that she's putting in. Um, so for her, I've recommended Rezi, and it's just a game changer because resumes are just so daunting. They take so much work and time.
Hmm.
And this just makes it so much easier, quicker, and it's more enjoyable than making a resume on your own.